Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshibe J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your business or service to appear on the search results of Facebook. Guys, it's super effective, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it in this video. But before we get into it, what I'm going to let you guys know is that I created a free resource where I share my latest Facebook ads secrets. So guys, if you want to get that, make sure you click the link below to download it to get yours. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going to show you how to get your business or your service product to appear on the search results of Facebook. So when people type in into the search bar of Facebook, like, I don't know, salon or hairdresser or something like that, your business is going to show up in the Facebook search results. And I'll show you guys how to do that step by step. So you click here, create, as usual. Again, this is a dummy account, so obviously some things will be missed out and stuff like that. But for your accounts, it's going to be pretty much in place. It's pretty much the same. Yeah. So you click create. And because we're trying to get sales, because when people are searching for stuff on Facebook, like, I don't know, t-shirt, they're in a buying mind or an inquiring mind, right? So when they're searching for those things, your business pops up, right? And when that happens, it's more likely to convert. Yeah. So click here, sales, then continue. So guys, when you get here, you see here, auction. So the buying tab is auction. The campaign objective is sales. And here you got advantage campaign budget, which is basically campaign budget optimization. It's just another name for it, basically. You can choose to do campaign budget optimization or ad set optimization, budget optimization, right? So campaign budget optimization is at the campaign level. So look, I'll turn this on. All right, this is at the campaign level, but I've turned this off. So I'll turn this off, then I'll go to the ad set level, and the budget is here. This is the ad set budget optimization. So when you hear people say, oh, are you doing CBO or ABO? Mate, it's CBO is campaign budget optimization, ABO is ad set budget optimization. That's literally it. You got at the budget, at the ad set level, and you got it at the campaign level. That's really it. Yeah. So let's say, okay, cool, we'll keep it at budget. Let's do budget level. Yeah. Let's do ad set budget level. Yeah. Now, if you want to drive people to your site, you can drive people to your site. Yeah. But there's other options here. But for the sake of the video, let's say we're driving people to our site. So when they're searching on Facebook, like t-shirts, and they click, they go to our site. Here, you want to choose your pixel. Once you've chosen your pixel, on the bottom, this is going to appear, your conversion event. Conversion event is going to appear underneath, yeah? And then here, if you're trying to get sales or leads, but for this video, we're trying to get sales, you basically put in purchase. So it optimizes for that. So it's going to show your ads to people who are more likely to purchase. Here, as explained before, you got your budget, your daily budget, $20, right? You got the start date, you got the end date. Yeah. Now here, you've got your locations. You can do United States, or you could do multiple countries. I prefer to only target the top tier countries, or I prefer to target only the countries that I see on my analytics on the back end of my site, the countries that are always converting for me. You don't want to target places where there's no data to back it up. Everything you do in marketing has to have data backed up. Everything. Marketing is data-backed decisions, basically. And marketing is assumptions and using marketing strategies for those assumptions to be proven or disproven. That's it. If it's proven, great. We keep doing what's working. If it's disproven, then that means that it's not working. We have to try something else. That's all it is. So when you guys, slight tangent, so when you guys are running ads and you're like, oh, I'm not seeing results, switch up the strategy. Switch up the strategy. That's it. And you will find something that works. And once you find something that works, you double down on it. So you choose your country right here, the age, gender. Again, if you're selling a product that's gender specific, then you want to choose the gender that's in line with the product or service you're trying to sell. If it's no gender specific, you can just choose all gender. Now you've got the detailed targeting right here. And here is basically where you basically put in the interests that you think that your audience or your potential customers will be interested in. So when you put in your interest, they are the people that are more likely to see your ads. Now, once you've done all that right here, yeah? Now, here is where you make the difference, especially if you want to run ads to Facebook search results. All you got to do here, guys, is this. Manual placements. Yeah. Then you untick these. Yeah. Then, can you see, guys? Can you see, guys? Facebook search results. This is how you do it, guys. This is how you do it. Especially if people are actively searching for something. If they need t-shirt, if they need someone to get their hair done, somewhere to get their hair done. When they're searching for, your business pops up. So that increases your likelihood of getting conversions, because that's what it's about, guys. So guys, you basically untick all of these. So if you untick all of these, it's up to you if you want to, but if you were specifically just only want to do search results, you basically just untick all of these, as you can see, and then you just basically have this one ticked, and you're good to go. Yeah, you're good to go, guys. And once you've done that, right? Here, guys, don't change anything here. Don't change anything here. Yeah, you want to keep this. You want to keep this the same, right? Like this is, if you want to make any changes here, this is much more further down the line in your Facebook ads media buying journey, right? Because the reasons why you do this is for certain situations, but by and large, most of the time, you won't really need to adjust this that much, really. Yeah. Then once you've chosen this as well, you got obviously with TikTok placements and stuff like that, but this is the one that we really want. Yeah. Then once you're done, you just click next. And now we are at the ad level. Again, it's the same process. You basically choose manual upload, single image or video. You can add media, you can choose image or video. Straightforward, guys. You can put in the primary text, headline in here, as well as description, your call to action. You want to make sure that your ads is very, it doesn't feel too much like an ad, right? Or if it's a Facebook search result type of ad, you want to make sure that the ad is answering a type of question, right? So you want it to be like, Looking for somewhere to do your hair? Short notice, looking for somewhere to do your hair in the next couple of days or something like that, where they see it in the search result and they're like, yo, yes, that's me, and they click. Yeah. So your type of creative is going to be slightly different because it's a different placement. With each placement is a different mentality. So if someone goes to Instagram, they're not looking to buy products, right? They're not thinking of, oh, I'm going to Instagram to buy products. They're looking to look at their friends, to see what's going on, the trends, like whatever's the latest trend at that time. That's what they're there for, really. Yeah, they're not going to Instagram to say, hey, I'm going to buy a product today. No, right? Same with other placements, right? But for search results, search is there's an intention behind it. And when there's an intention behind it, the type of communication or the type of ad has to change and be in line with that intention. Yeah. So guys, that is how you run a ad to make sure that it shows up in Facebook's search results. Yeah. So guys, as usual, I'll be coming back with more tips and tricks to help you with your marketing and in your business. So guys, take care of yourself. I'll see you later.